Hello everyone, I am Bhanupriya DA from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from Data Science Department. Today I am going to tell about the course Operating System. Introduction to Access Matrix. An access matrix in operating system is a table-based model. It defines the access control of various resources based on subjects and objects. It provides a structured way to manage permissions and access rights within a system, enhancing security and control. What is the purpose of access matrix? Access matrix is a security model that defines the right of each subject with respect to every object in the system. It provides a formal framework for security analysis and allows for the efficient management of access permissions. There are four components of access matrix, that is subjects, objects, access rights and control list. Coming to subjects, subjects represent active entities like processes, users or devices. In objects, this objects refers to a passive entity such as files, database or resources. Coming to access rights define the action that subjects can perform on object. And control list, this determines the permission granted to the subject for accessing the objects. And there are three access control models, that is mandatory access control, decentralized access control, role-based access control. In mandatory access control, it assigns access right based on the security labels and clearance levels. In discretionary access control, in this it allows users to set access permission on their own objects. Coming to role-based access control, it assigns access based on individual roles and responsibilities within the organization. The types of access rights in access matrix: read, write and execute. Read. In this read, the permission to view data or resource. In write, you have the permission to modify or create data or a resource. In execute is permission to run or execute program or scripts. And here, discretionary access control, users have control over their own resources and can determine who has access. In mandatory access control, access is determined by security labels and cannot be changed by users. Role-based access control is access is granted based on user roles within an organization. Rule-based access control is access is determined by a set of rules or conditions defined by administrators. Implementation of access matrix in operating system. An access matrix is implemented in operating system to manage access control by defining permissions for users and resources. It provides a structured approach to specify and enforce access rights, ensuring security and proper resource usage. As you can see, this is how you implement matrix in an operating system. This is the access matrix, then this is the object or domain, and you give the file names, then domain, and read and in the file one, read and write, second file to read, and this is how you implement an access matrix in an operating system. Coming to advantages and disadvantages of access matrix. Advantages are enhanced security, their accessibility is flexibility and centralized management. Disadvantages are complexity in implementation and resource overhead, potential for misconfigurations. Examples of access matrix in real world scenarios. We use access matrix in high security banking systems, healthcare, electronic records access, government facilities access control. Access matrix are utilized to control and secure sensitive financial data and assets in banking systems, ensuring that only authorized person can access specific resource. Healthcare and electronic record access. In healthcare, access metrics are employed to regulate the access to electronic health records, safeguarding patient privacy and confidential while allowing only the authorized healthcare professionals to view necessary information. Government facility access control. It makes use of access metrics to manage and restrict access to classified information, providing a layered security approach to sensitive data and resources. Coming to conclusion, security. Access Matrix provides granular security by controlling access to resources. Flexibility. It allows for flexible access control policies tailored to specific needs. Complexity. The implementation and management of access matrix can be complex. Protection. It offers protection against unauthorized access and potential security breaches. Thank you.